American Architectural Review is a national platform where science and art meet, where the issues facing builders and consumers take center stage, where the spotlight seeks out and shines on the creators and innovators. This editorial series, featured on national television, singles out architectural achievements from tools to technique, from form to function. Archistone Products was handpicked as a featured guest because of its commitment to promoting progress in the world of architecture.
Hello, I'm Morley Safer. The building is a classic, old world from the front to the back. Or is it? Here's how modern building materials are helping preserve that old world charm.
Whether it's a European-style luxury home or a high-end multi-million-dollar commercial building, adding a decorative finish can enhance the appearance of any architectural design. The effect alone can help turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. But a fair amount of artistry tools and materials are required.
Today, most homeowners are requesting that we create an old world rustic feel to some of their homes. And oftentimes, by way of achieving this, we use real materials such as hand-cut stone, old world plasters, clay tiles, and heavy timbers. One of the challenges we face with the hand-cut stones, of course, is their size and their weight and their availability in the marketplace.
Many designers are now turning to new alternatives that eliminate the need for heavy cut stone. Among the choices are limestone coatings and plaster finishes designed to resemble the natural look of quarried stone. The layering was originally used to restore stone structures in Europe, but today designers with Archistone have reformulated it with a blend of ingredients.
The material is comprised of crushed limestone, Portland cement, a proprietary blend of polymers, which gives it its high strength of about 4,650 psi, which means pounds per square inch. When compared to standard concrete, it's about 60% stronger, and all of this is done in a 3/8 inch coating, which allows the end user to use the material and create stone-like structures without all the added weight of real cut stone.
Recently, I had a customer approach me with a project that was hard for them to solve. It was a spiral staircase, and it had a curvature to the wall, so they couldn't hang a painting on it. They couldn't put stone on it, so they thought. I decided to use the limestone material to replicate large limestone blocks and follow this down the curvature of the stairs. And with this, I created an Italian garden.
Betts also says the natural-looking material has more versatility than traditional cut stone, and the creative design possibilities are virtually endless.
The limestone coating can be applied to walls or ceilings. You can scratch it, you can grind it and polish it. You can also sculpt it, and it look like you spent many of hours, or let alone weeks, in carving this piece of stone when it's actually a wet application. And so it's much faster and lighter and easier to work with.
Emerging technologies have changed the way the design industry functions today. For an example, the polymer additives, bonding agents, and adhesives are allowing us to create such things as countertops, stone veneers, and even plywoods. And we see much more of this in the future to come.
In the field of stone artistry, it takes creativity, skilled craftsmanship, and hard work to create a specific look. Architects and designers are discovering new techniques that may help make their jobs easier to finish.
The world of architecture and design is a fascinating and creative place. As new ideas and developments occur, American Architectural Review will share them with you.
In today's construction industry, everybody's always looking for new and better, more cost-effective ways to achieve the look that they want. And in this market, the look that most everybody wants, or it seems, is for kind of an old world stone-looking structure. Archistone is able to provide them with a tool to do that. can coat foam, which is something that's used to a great extent right now on decorative elements of homes and commercial projects. That's one of the main uses for Archistone these days, is to coat foam and other architectural details.
When we started the company, we were doing everything. We had architects, designers on staff. We did the manufacturing of the material in-house. We distributed the material ourselves, and we applied it. And we had artists, technicians, and craftsmen who would go out into the field and create whatever the design people had come up with. And so we really were doing everything from start to finish. Our focus, of course, is the product, making it the best product that we can, as easy to apply, as easy to work with, and as flexible as we can make it. And we're also putting a lot of emphasis on training applicators to install it, both from a design point of view, so they understand stone and they understand how stone is used in construction, and also technically how to apply the material. So we do a lot of support, applicator support. That's probably the thing that's the most unique about Archistone as opposed to a lot of other material manufacturers.
Once again, American Architectural Review extends a special thanks to the companies and organizations that have risen to meet the challenges of today's architectural industry. This has been a presentation of WJMK.